Hello everyone, it's Rosie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this lovely little pink horse corner bookmark. Now this is something that has been requested a few times on my channel in the comments below, so thank you so much for those suggestions and I'm really sorry it's taken me this long to make it. But here is the design, I really hope you enjoy and let's get started. So just quickly, as I always do, I'm just starting off with a piece of A4 paper and then I'm folding it and cutting it in half, and then I'm taking one corner up to the top edge and folding it down and then cutting off the excess so that we have the triangle ready to begin folding for the basic corner bookmark. So for the basic bookmark, I'm just going to fold up the two bottom corners up to the top point, flattening down the edges, and then I'm going to open them up and then fold the top point down to the bottom edge, flattening that down, and then folding the two bottom corners up and tucking them in and flattening down the edges so that we have the basic corner bookmark. I've just done this quickly because I've done it in all my bookmark videos before, and this is just very quickly how to make the basic bookmark. So once that's done, I'm going to just fold it in half and then take a pair of scissors and I'm just going to round off the corner, and then I'm going to cut a diagonal line straight across down to the middle point and then just open it up to see if I need to trim it even more, which I do. And then open it up, and then what I'm going to do is round off the bottom point of one of the sides, whichever side you want the head to be on. So I'm choosing the right side here, but the left side when you turn it up, so it's looking to the left. And now we have the head and the neck of the horse. So now I'm going to take the spare piece of paper and then cut out an ear from this. Now you can just keep trimming this until you're happy with the size. Okay, so now we have the bookmark and the ear cut out. The next thing I'm going to do is move on to the colouring. So I've got a pencil, a black pen and a pink pen. So I'm starting out with the pencil and I'm just going to outline where I want the mane to be along the horse. And then I'm going to take the pink pen and I'm just going to go over the pencil outline with the pink, and then I'm going to colour it in. As well as the mane, I'm also going to fill in the middle of the ear, just drawing a little pink circle and then colouring that in. And then I'm going to take my glue stick and stick the ear down to the top point of the bookmark on top of the mane, pressing it down so it sticks. And then we're nearly there, it's just time to start adding some final details. So I'm taking the black pen and I'm going to colour in a little eye, and then a little swirly nose, and a little smile. And then finally I'm just going to add on a little pink cheek. And then we're finished! So there we are, here is the finished horse corner bookmark design. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so glad I finally worked out a design for this. As I said, it was requested and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really do like it when you request videos. Please, if you have any more ideas of what you want me to do, then let me know and I will try and do them. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed and I will see you in my next one. Bye!